Hello viewers, welcome to my second video of the series of coding question mostly asked in an interview. So this is the second question, like short employee whose salary is 50,000. So I have an employee class and defining some attribute like employee ID, name and salary. So the salary which is 50,000, we need to sort only that employee. So let's do that. So I created main class, main method, defining some list of employees. So created one list, employees list, and using array list, and adding some element inside that list. So add method randomly and use the name. Second is the ID, name is 10,000. So adding two more record to compare. So is one John set is 50,000. Salary is 30,000. So we need to find the employee whose salary is 50,000. So we need to find the John in this case. So let's do that. So the employees call the string function. We use the filter method. So filter method we provide a condition like start get salary greater say equals to 50,000 and select this list to say not to list. Store this in one attribute. So let's print it out. The employee set is 50,000. We expect output is for a John that let's run it. So yeah, sort the employee salary is 50,000. So employee one name is John, whose salary is 50,000. Yeah, we got the output. Thank you.